Did you get Camel Belt anything?
Yeah, I have to
Go home and wrap it?
buy a box and wrap.
Or you have it in the car? I got too much of that. Yep.
Let's stop at Echo.
To get a bag? It's in the car?
I took them out already. I'm thinking that was a nice box to wrap.
What is it? What is it?
I have a bag at home, I think. I don't need to, but I just want to stop at Echo.
I know, but what is it that you bought?
Oh, I bought a suit and a pair of shoes.
Maybe I saw it.
I bought a suit for...
From Echo? That's pretty cheap.
I know. I can't believe I found it. I was looking one day.
Were you shopping for yourself or for her?
Usually on the day, I just like to go shopping and I remember, oh, something coming up I gotta buy, so I just look for it. So that's why it took me so long. Oh, I'm gonna buy this for 2 months later. Can I try, Mel?
Have you been recording the whole time?
That's why I'm whispering.
Because I'm eating it.
You're eating it? Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And mommy can't try it.
But do you like it? Does it look nice?
So cute. They have the 3 and 6. 3 and 6 months. I'm thinking,
Cookies,
oh,
Mommy,
the
those
baby
are
not gonna-
cookies.
Where? Let's see.
He's right there.
Can I have it?
Can I eat them?
Can I have it?
No.
Oh, what about Daddy?
No.
Why?
What about the dinosaur?
Yeah. And here. And here.
What about this dinosaur?
Nothing on your phone.